Imagine this, as you enter your home, it's not just the wall or the furniture. The flooring set the mood with luxury, calm or the wow factor. Hi, I am Nita Singh from Nita Iconic Interiors. Choosing the right flooring is confusing, and that's why today I will show you the unique living room flooring design that match your style, budget and the lifestyle. If you want a living room that truly feels special, watch till the end. Image 1. Marble finish flooring. Give a premium hotel-style luxury feel with high gloss and an elegant wing. Best for the spacious living room. Cost rupees 250 to 800 rupees per square feet. Nita's tip. Use anti-skid or satin polish to avoid sliperiness. Image 2. Artistic epoxy flooring. A bold designer flooring option with artistic pattern and seamless finish. Cost rupees 300 to 700 rupees per square feet. Nita's tip. Ideal for the ascent living room, avoid in high scratch areas. Image 3. Glossy rectified tiles. Bright reflective flooring that makes small living room looks bigger. Cost rupees 80 to 180 rupees per square feet. Nita's tip. Choose rectified tiles for the minimal grout lines. Image 4. Wooden finish tile. Wood look with tile durability. Perfect blend of warmth and the strength. Cost rupees 120 to 250 rupees per square feet. Nita's tip. Lay tiles in plank or herringbone pattern for a premium effect. Image 5. Engineered wooden flooring. Natural wood aesthetic with a cozy and a luxury vibe. Cost rupees 350 to 900 rupees per square feet. Nita's tip. Maintain indoor in humidity to prevent expansion. Image 6. Made porcelain flooring. Modern, subtle and very low maintenance. Great for the minimalistic home. Cost rupees 120 to 300 rupees per square feet. Nita's tip. Go for large format tiles to reduce visual clutter. Image 7. Vinyl flooring. Soft, underfoot, water resistant and quick to install. Cost rupees 80 to 200 rupees per square feet. Nita's tip. Use in rented home or quick renovation projects. Image 8. Natural stone flooring. Earthy, timeless and elegant. Add natural warmth. Cost rupees 250 to 600 rupees per square feet. Nita's tip. Seal stone properly to avoid stains. Image 9. Wooden laminate flooring. Affordable alternative to wood with easy installation. Cost rupees 120 to 250 rupees per square feet. Nita's tip. Always use good underlayment for the sound control. Image 10. Designer texture wallpaper flooring. Used mainly for the visual appeal in low traffic zones. Cost rupees 70 to 150 rupees per square feet. Nita's tip. Best as an ascent flooring, not full living room use. 5 smart tips for living room flooring. Nita's tip 1. Choose flooring based on lifestyle. If you have kid or pet, opt for scratch resistance and easy maintenance flooring such as vitrified tiles or SPC flooring. Nita's tip 2. Balance light and dark colors. Light shade flooring makes small living room feel more spacious, while dark tones add depth and the luxury to the larger space. Nita's tip 3. Texture matters. Glossy floor look elegant, but matte or anti-skid textures are more practical, especially for the Indian homes. Nita's tip 4. Match flooring with furniture. Ensure the flooring color and the pattern either complement or contrast with the furniture. Avoid identical shade to prevent the space from looking flat. Nita's tip 5. Think long term, not just trend. Trendy patterns may look attractive, but timeless options like marble look tiles or wooden finish flooring remain classy for years. Pro tip: flooring is the foundation of your room's look. Choose something you will enjoy for years, not just what's trending now. A home isn't just built with the brick and the tiles. It builds with your choice and the dreams. If you are confused about the right flooring for your living room, comment "Help me Neeta." I will personally guide you. Like the video and subscribe to Neeta Iconic Interior for the honest, easy to understand design guidance. Thank you and see you in my next video.